Hi, I'm Craig, a traveller from Australia, and I stayed in this place for about a month or so, living and working, so I was asked by the owners to say a few words about my experience. The owners have kept the original structure of the place with these beautiful stone walls and exposed bricks, and a nice open kitchen with an island so you can practice your Spanish cooking. As a digital nomad, this place was perfect for me, with high-speed internet and a big screen TV that I could do conference calls on, which, as it happens, was also pretty good for Netflix. The whole place gets a great amount of sunlight throughout the day, or if you feel like working on your tan, there's 2 terraces that you can take in Valencian sun, and at night you can have dinner up there under the stars. And finally, location is key. Sitting in the heart of Cabanyal with the bike rental just around the corner, the beach less than 10-minute walk away, and my favourite, the Cabanyal markets, which are right on the doorstep. I hope you enjoy your stay as much as I enjoyed mine.